Found this patent that I've been wanting to try. It's from 1953 by Delbert Donovan. A magnetic toy. What it is two separate horseshoe magnets joined together, the north and south, and they're bent so that you have the hoop flattened on the top. And you're supposed to be able to insert a bar magnet in the top hoop or near the top hoop, and you're supposed to get rotation out of it. And the design they have here, he has these rods coming down for balancing, but I think that's also a bit of a flywheel effect to keep the momentum going. But I'll put a link to this patent in the description so you can have a look at it. I put one together a bit modified. I used a coffee can lid on the bottom with a hole in the center to help keep it from wobbling around, and then a brass rod with a point, and I soldered a bar on the top here with a pivot point center punched in it. And instead of using two magnetized rods, I put them together with some Harbor Freight magnets. I haven't been able to get it to keep going continuously, but it does seem awful close. You can feel a bit of a neutral line going across the half circle there. At this stage it is just a bit of a toy, because to get it to keep going continuously, it's not quite there. I think there's some possibilities with it. It does resemble the homopolar motor. And that's what happens. My design needs a little bit of tweaking. Every now and then it'll get going kind of good, and then it seems to lose its momentum and then it stops. A little tough to hold it still too. Feel there's a bit of a center point where you can feel it pushing and pulling on the magnet here and there, like there's some kind of center there. Seems sometimes you have to move it just a little bit and then it'll keep going. If I try and make another one of these, I think I might go with a steeper angle on there. Instead of being so straight up and down, I think the angle might have something to do with it. Be more similar to the homopolar motor. The other thing with the line that you notice here with the magnetic field, I have a feeling that the design he has here with bouncing off the point, that these are allowed to wobble as it goes over that line, which might be part of the helping to keep it move. Whether it actually works or not, I don't know, but it seems pretty close. I'll try some more experiments with it and see how it goes. Thanks for watching.